Everybody is looking for a quick fix for that annoying cough. Well, look no further. First up, honey and warm water. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey in a glass of warm water and sip slowly. Do this twice a day. Next, ginger tea. Grate a teaspoon of fresh ginger into boiling water, let it steep for 10 minutes, and drink it warm. Try this once in the morning and once before bed. Lastly, salt water gargle. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Gargle for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Repeat 3 times a day. These simple remedies can give you instant cough relief and get you back on track. Subscribe for more health tips.